Are you a musician and still upload your audio with an image? It's boring! Stop doing that! Introducing Music Producer Tool. This is an audio visualization template that will animate your music tracks and make them more professional. Now you can focus on creating new songs, and Music Producer Tool will do the rest. The pack includes sets of different styles for social media and labels with popular streaming services. With free feature updates, you will get tons of styles and designs, which will express your music mood. Works with all new After Effects versions. Video tutorial included. No additional plugins required. Available on VideoHive.net. Check out previews of all scenes.